I may need not to open an existing image file, but to start an image from scratch. File New fetches a dialog called Create a new image. Firstly, I can select a size template. Let me say this one. Alternatively, I can define the dimensions, the width and the height by typing numbers inside, or by using these little arrows, or by mouse hovering on a field and using my mouse wheel by scrolling the mouse wheel. With this, I can define the unit of measurement. Typically, it will be pixels. Selecting a unit, GIMP recalculates these values automatically. I have to select the orientation if it will be portrait or landscape. Then there is the dialog area called Advanced Options. Here is the resolution. We have seen it in the theory. Typically, the unit of measurement will be pixels per inch, DPI. With this little chain, I can correlate the two values, the horizontal and the vertical resolution, so that they change proportionally. Typically, as a beginner, you will not change this. Next, you can define if you want color or not. The color model, if it will be grayscale or RGB. Next, you have to decide what the image will be initially filled with. You can select the foreground color. This now is the black. I can select the background color, which now is white. I can select to be explicitly white, or I can select to be transparent. Let me select the background color. This field named comment is not important. By clicking OK, here you have it. Let's see the title bar. It says untitled because it has not been saved yet. The color space is RGB. It has one layer, the background. These are the dimensions in pixels. Let me reject the image. If now I call the command file new again, the specific settings are kept in the memory with preferences, default image. I can define these settings so that every time I start a new image from scratch, I have the same settings available. That is to say, without having to retype the same information again and again.